Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a viral ad copy using workflow in Copy AI. Let's get started. First, open the Copy AI and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, click Create New and select Workflow. Then browse templates or start from scratch. Then name your workflow. Then add your first step, which is prompt. Then type something like write a short, catchy, and copy for that potential to go viral in that platform. Include strong hooks and call to action. You can be detailed, specific, and be clear to your prompt and add optional steps to refine the tone, length, or audience targeting. Then click Run to generate results and review the ad copies. Pick the one that's best and tweak as needed before publishing. And you can run the workflow multiple times with different hooks to see which one has the strongest viral potential. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.